In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to survive really cold temperatures in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You are going to begin by finding a dry valley that borders the grasslands, and in order to prevent getting too hot, you're going to go really quickly, collect the spicy peppers, and move back. Now you're going to continue doing this until you have enough. Just go back and forth, and you won't take too much significant damage if you do it this way. Now, once you've collected the spicy peppers, you can actually eat these yourself to warm yourself up, or you can actually make it into a burger, a spicy burger, to make it longer against the cold temperatures. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.